Cesar the Magic Sneezer. Tale 1. Cesar's magic sneeze can be a roll of the dice. Like the time he turned into pumpkin spice. A little shake here and a little shake there was his favorite trick. Until he used too much and made everyone feel sick. Tale 2. A dark rainy day made Cesar a sad fella. So he tickled his nose and sneezed into an umbrella. He kept his mom dry by shielding her head, but caught a bad cold and spent the weekend in bed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so you and your friends never miss an adventure.